Hello guys, I am Bernardo. I am here with my new Group Pro video and I am really super happy this time. Well, you already saw my results. So I am 180 centimeter and I am sure I will break this point in the future months because I am so much motivated guys. How I am really happy I cannot tell, but I really wanna thank you for you. Thank you for my family. I know so many support, very good messages from you. I got so much energy. My motivated is very good. Even in the first month, I didn't get any results. It's no matter. I forgot everything, and as I said in my previous video, mind very important. You need to believe product. You need to stay away from the stress. In that time, I am sure you will get results too. So company said after 6 months you will see the first result to customers, but I saw first results 3 centimeter taller after second month. So maybe company want to some guarantee for themselves, like if somebody didn't get any results so quickly, maybe attack the company. This reason company want to protect themselves and says first results will come in the after 6 months, but actually they are known maybe also results will be quicker. It's similar like growth cinema because in the growth cinema, everybody see in the different time, different results, and it's bad to metabolism. And similar things also in the growth boom pro, I think, because the Louise, he saw first results in the first month, and I saw my first result in the second month. That shows it's gives some different people different results. So you need to be motivated. Don't compare yourself with somebody. Oh, you saw the results very quickly, Louise. Why I didn't get the results? If I keep my body in the stress, then I cannot be taller. I am sure about this. What can I say? I am really very happy, and I am sure I will get much more better things. I very positive now. I cannot sleep first day. It's very motivated to me, and I want to really acquire more than 190 centimeter. My target more than 195. Actually, 190 centimeter is point for me, border. If I can cross, I am most happy man in the world. So I will use products until that time, and I will share my things. And also, I want to notice that I didn't do any exercise. Before growth cinema, I did the swimming, hanging exercise, but this time I didn't do any exercise. Of course, I didn't use any smoking or alcohol. It's very important, guys. These kind of things affect your body and change some things in the negatively. So you need to stay away if you are smoke user or if you are also using the alcohol. You need to stay away, and also don't eat junk food like hamburger and other things. What can I say? I am most happy man in the world. I can say this. Okay, maybe I need to give some another advice. You always write me very good things. Also, I feel sometimes sad because I get in the last days, nowadays, very sad story. My first upload, my psychology was very bad. I cried on the rooms alone. Also, I had some best story in my life. If I break to some point, if I acquire some point, I want to share it with you. So I really lived very bad days before Growth Cinema and Growth Boom Pro, and my psychology very bad. If you are short, already you can understand me. Sometimes I feel myself like I am not human. I not deserve this world. I am very small, bad production. I thought many bad things. Yes, this is not right thing, not right mind. But in that time, you cannot understand the psychology if you are not short. Sometimes people look at your first impression, and if they are see you short and they are not so much interest, that kind of things. They are not attention your words. So guys, but I changed that kind of things. This is reality of this world. What we can say, we cannot change. Of course, there are some good peoples, but in people mind, generally, if you are taller, if you are stronger, if you are handsome, people look at you different. You cannot change things. This is reality. So for nowadays I get some emails, and I remember my previous lives before Grow Taller products. I really best situation, and I really said for some story, brothers, please don't lose your hope. These products 100% working. Even they some negative look people, what they call don't care. 100% working, and I not get any benefit from these products. I not get any money from company. 100% be sure these products work. Growth Boom Pro Max Plus kit working. I saw it, I tried it. I can understand if you are not try the product, you always in your mind you keep this one things, really this review is real or not, and you look at the some comments and even see more than 100 comments. It should work, it is working, it worked for me. You still think it should work or not. So what can I say? I don't know. Be sure 100% Growth Boom Pro Max Plus kit working. This is best advice if you want to grow taller. So guys, thank you my family. I appreciate for you. I will pray for you too. And what can I say? Thank you, and see you in the next videos. I will publish every result. Next month will come third month result. Okay guys, I am your Grow Taller Spider-Man, and see you in the next video.